Hi, hello, welcome to the LINmagination channel, coming back to you with another room tour. This time we are at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, Kidani Village, and I'm gonna give you a tour of a 1-bedroom with a standard view. Let's go ahead and get started. We also just stayed in a 1-bedroom over at the Jambo House, which is right next door. So if you wanna take a look at the differences between the two, you can go ahead and watch that video after this one. All right, so here is the entryway. Right when you walk in to the right, I have a closet, and in this closet is where the washer and dryer is. I would say this fits about a medium load. They even provided some laundry detergent, and you can do up to 2 loads per bottle. And let me open this up so you can see what kind of space you're working with. So right across the way from this closet is our first bathroom. So my favorite thing so far about staying in this 1-bedroom is that we have 2 bathrooms. So this one has the shower tub combo. Of course, we've got your shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Of course, we've got the commode, some toilet paper, tissue, towels, and they also provide us with bath soap and a bottle of body lotion. All right, let's take a look at the living area. So we have 2 bar stools here and a full-size kitchen. I love that we have a full-size fridge, stove. We also have a dishwasher here. Let me open up some of these drawers so you can see what is provided when you stay here. Here is our coffee machine. It's Stay by Cuisine Art. And then we also have lots of Joffrey's coffee here, as well as Twinings tea. So we've got some English breakfast, as well as green tea. Behind this cabinet door is all of the glassware you'll need for your stay. Cooking utensils, and behind this cabinet door is where all of the plates are, as well as all of the cookware. Lots and lots of space for all of your beverages and food. And then in the freezer section, they also provide us with ice trays. That way we can make our own ice. Here is another vantage point of the kitchen. And if you booked a connecting room, that's where you can access the room from. So here is the dining area. So you could fit probably 3 people on that side, and then 2 people on these chairs here. And here is our living room. So that is a pull-out couch, so you could fit 2 people there. And then that also turns into a single sleeping bed for somebody. So you could have 3 people sleeping out here. Here is this coffee table with this coffee table book. It's the Disney Conservation Fund book. Welcome home, Perron family. I'm so happy to be here. So Animal Kingdom Lodge is one of our DVC home resorts. So when we became DVC members back in 2013, this is where we got our first contract. All right, let's go ahead and move into our bedroom. So this is a gigantic king-size bed. We have a nightstand on each side. The left side has the telephone. We've got plenty of outlet options. So 2 regular plugs and then 2 USB plugs. Across from the bed is a writing desk to get some work done, and then we have another TV in here, as well as a dresser. All right, let's take a look at the master bathroom. This is probably my favorite part about staying here versus at Jambo House, is that the 1-bedrooms have 2 bathrooms. So first up, we have another closet. So this is where you'll find the ironing board, some extra bedding, and we also have lots of hangers and a safe down there. If you're finding this video helpful so far, I hope you decide to stick around and subscribe, and also give this video a thumbs up. So in this room is where the commode is, and then here is the vanity. I just noticed that we only have one sink in here, but that's all right. We have plenty of space in this bathroom. Extra towels, toilet paper, tissue. Again, we have bath soap as well as body lotion. And in this drawer is where the hairdryer is. I love that we have a shower here. So again, with the shower, we have body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. Very spacious. And we also have a bathtub. All right, so let me show you what our view looks like. Again, we're staying in just a standard view, and this is exactly what I was expecting our view to look like. Here is a view of the parking lot. We have lots of chairs here, so there are 4 chairs. Down there is the parking garage. Oh, I see Sean. Sean's walking over to the fitness center. Hi, honey. Over that way is where the fitness center is, and that's also where the pool is at. You can also access the villa from the bedroom. All right, friends, that was my tour of our 1-bedroom standard view here at Kidani Village. I hope you enjoyed this tour, and I hope to see you again real soon. Bye.